Good morning, how are you doing today?
Hi, good morning. So now we are in Ubud. We will have a breakfast and also we will have a meeting with my friends, my old friends, and then we will talk a lot about our plan to build up a new business.
Really wanna have a new business, so I'm very happy with that. You know what I mean, guys?
Ladies business, something like that.
No, very good, very good.
So today I will show you the place where we have a coffee and then where we have breakfast. You can follow me. So this place is called Kakyang Bakery and Garden. The place is so Instagrammable. I really like it. Fancy Instagrammable. You can have a look around.
I think we always coming to area, so they didn't open yet, but we are already here. No, that's normal. We always want to be here, right, Sam?
Yes. But because we just came in the morning, well, actually that they open at 10, but we just come a bit earlier.
It's time to have a breakfast, and here we go. What we have?
So I already ordered a sandwich, and then you already have your croissant,
and of course cappuccino.
and then I order latte.
Here we go. That will be enough for talking about food. Oh my god, breakfast was so good actually. I promise you, not gonna tell anything about more breakfast, but the breakfast was so good. As I even eat the banana leaf. As you can see. And I'm so proud of Winnie. She didn't eat the nasi this morning, so...
No nasi this morning, yeah, I'm already too fat, really.
Alright, check this out guys. Now we met the Winnie friend and she brings loads of interesting stuff.
Antara batik sama linen dan ini pun antik. Spesial. Hi, my name is Dekti and we provided such kind of clothing, home spa products, jewelry, shoes, bags, whatever.
You can say something about this bag. I really like it. Is this the painting? Natural way, right?
This one is one of our best sellers.
Bestsellers.
Is it made from menxiang? Menxiang is kind of grass from Kalimantan, and then painting by water resistant, and then acrylic, lazuli, and then what's the name that jade, yellow jade.
Many things.
Very nice.
It's handmade, right?
Handmade.
It's handmade.
It is designed and made by me.
You should put
It's nice on you.
Beautiful. So many things, yeah.
So many things.
Yes, California, Miami, Seattle, what else?
In Europe.
In Europe, anything. Italy, Monaco. The favorite is Monaco.
I've been in Monaco also, but
Monaco.
she never been in Poland.
I've never been in Poland.
So this is a very good occasion that we meet.
Kalau Labuan Bajo ya masih ini.
Yeah. Terus
Tapi sebenarnya mereka kalau
The cool thing about the bracelets over here is that every bracelet is different.
yeah, the design is very, unique.
Yeah.
She made it very cool. She's the artist and she's the designer.
So if you're gonna buy it, you have to be sure you're not gonna have duplicated by someone.
Yes.
Let's say Paris Hilton.
that's the trick.
That's at least.
That's the trick.
So many stuff.
And also, shampoo. This is coconut shampoo, and then this is the frangipani conditioner.
So as you can see, a lot of stuff. More.
Wow.
Conditioner
Yes.
She have a bag full of stuff.
and body mist
Oh, nice.
and bug spray.
Yeah.
Never ending bag of stuff. Always something. our meeting very well, successful, I hope so.
Yes, so before we met one lady who can help me to organize everything with the bags, accessories, and then with the spa products.
She have very cool stuff, very
cool
prestigious,
stuff.
very luxurious and very top class, really top class.
Yes.
Not so cheap, but really high class, the best quality in Bali, so for sure very worth it. And we will see how it's gonna be. This is your job to make it.
Yes.
And now we're gonna go to the sole manufacturer in Ubud area, and we will see
And then we will
some
see
stuff over here.
this one.
Oh, this is
Yeah.
the famous
The
spoon.
spoon.
So if you ever been in Bali, you wonder where the fancy restaurants having the spoons. It's from probably this shop. I don't know, it's so many stuff as I don't know what to show you guys actually. So much stuff, but very cool stuff. Hand. Oh my god, so many. Place where you have retail and wholesale. So if you wanna buy the full container, probably will be much cheaper. So dark here.
Fancy bowl from wood.
Oh yeah, the bowl.
The bowl.
Bowls. Not
Halo,
bowls.
Ibu.
It's okay if I have a camera?
Yeah.
No problem. How are you today, by the way?
Bagus.
Bagus.
Great. So this is the tissue box made of the shells. Look at the teapot. Beautiful, isn't it?
Oh, we are going to the another shop and look at the footpath over here. That's so good. You have to walk on the street.
Very nice. Hello, Pak.
Very nice. The boxes set is like how many? 1, 2, 3, 3 or 5 boxes.
And then I have the catalog also. Let's see. Great.
Nice boxes. Like this one. Like this one. Like this one. Shops with wood. Shops with bag. Shops with accessories. And what you have? You wanna buy this one?
So cute, isn't it?
Yeah. Like it?
Yes.
Are you taking this back?
Sayang. Bayar lah.
Ah, single happy piece lah.
Bayar lah. This is so good.
You want?
Yeah. This is from my private collection.
So with these accessories, yeah? No, dobrze, sayang.
Hi, so now we are in one restaurant. It's called Warung Makbeng. Then I really want to eat fish. I really like fish and then nasi. We will see how it is. And this place is famous for the fish.
very spicy fish. I used to be here once. I'm not talking about these fishes what are swimming behind me, but the fishes are a little bit spicy, but it's very nice food over here.
Alright, so now the food already in front of me. Fish soup, fried fish, spicy. That's my favorite.
So in this restaurant, you have only one menu, and you can buy only this set of the fish soup and fish goreng. I mean fried fish, and it's very nice. Like this one. Smaczne, and actually the spicy is only dish. This soup is spicy, the rest is nice, and it's only 55,000, so it's really a good price. Alright, I think that will be enough for today's vlog. Winnie, you wanna say something?
Alright, so thank you for already watching us, following us, started from the beginning, from breakfast until all of my activities today in Ubud, and then until lunch. That was spicy.
It was a little bit spicy. Anyway, thank you for watching. See you next time. And at the end, I got the free mug.
Yay! Thank you!